How to make your CSV file UTF-8 format compatible. As you can see when you open an CSV file in your Excel, and it shows you weird characters instead of a proper UTF format characters. To convert your CSV in proper UTF-8 format, first open your CSV file with Notepad. As you can see in Notepad, the characters are showing in correct format. Now you need to save your file using Save As option. Now before saving, click on bottom right side option box and select UTF-8 with BOM option, and then save it. BOM stands for byte order mark. BOM format is the UTF-8 file signature identifies the encoding format rather than the byte order of the document. UTF-8 is a linear sequence of bytes and not sequence of 2-byte or 4-byte units where the byte order is important. Now once you save your file, open it again with your Excel file. As you can see, your CSV file is correctly formatted to required UTF-8 format, and now you can easily see your any language characters in your Excel file correctly. That's all for this video. Please like the video and subscribe Waxall for more informational and educational tutorial videos. Thanks again.